How to fix error cert common name invalid in Chrome. If you can't open some web page due to the error cert common name invalid message in your Chrome, try these methods. Method 1, flush DNS and reset TCP/IP by running these commands as admin. IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /flushtons IP protocol configuration /renew IP protocol configuration /flushtons endstat r netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset. Method 2, make sure the date and time in your system is correct. Method 3, perform antivirus. Scan by using the recommended Avast Internet Security on your computer. Method 4, use Google Public DNS Server. Method 5, hosts file on your computer. Method 6, uninstall unnecessary extensions. In your Chrome. Method 7, turning off SSL. HTTPS scanning in your antivirus software, if any. Method 8, temporary disable firewall and antivirus as admin. Method 9, ignore. The error and proceed to the website.